I will give you 5 tips for dropshippers starter. Number 1, have a training course. When starting a dropshipping business, it's important to follow a step-by-step guide. Don't try to find a bit of information there and there, watch some YouTube videos and then combine all this knowledge. You will probably miss a step. Having a training course is really good, but this training course needs to be a step-by-step guide. The step-by-step guide will allow you to create your store and make profits. Number 2, take action as you learn. When you follow a training course, it's important to take action. Don't just learn, also do. Dropshipping is simple, but it can be complex if you're not doing it. By learning, start doing. Number 3, take advantage of the free trial on Shopify. It's important to take advantage of this 14 days trial because you can build your store, sell your items and make profit before paying the monthly subscription. Number 4, do not get attached emotionally to your product that you are selling. Dropshipping is a business, it's not items that you will buy for you. And most of the case, the product that you will sell online will be a testing product. When I say testing product, means that you will probably change this product over time. For the final tips, always test your product. It's important to test your product. Create an ad, see the performance, and then increase budget. You can test different ads, but also different audiences, and by increasing budget, you will reach even more people. The reason why I created this video is because I'm selling my training course on dropshipping and on Facebook ad. There's one popular training course that I created called 10 Steps to Build Your Dropshipping Business, and you can start with that knowledge. Take action today. And that's what I have for you for today. I hope you enjoyed the content. I'll see you next week.